Famra another episode of Gpl X'Tra. Hani eba ni nyanto wase na said the university e GPL ni nyanto wase ababa mu e de mama for decisions e to janso ref beba na waje opinions wa chechi mu e de amaye na match 34 no eba na we 9 games e de born each and every week. This session eba na we no 4 away home wins ni nyaye eni nya 2 away wins. Draw games no ends 3 18 goals and a toja any nya home week goals no 11 away goals ni nya 7 afin yellow card makomako 18 in team toja after 9 games a toja or match 34 nim sa pepe na nama no enso si koye na say na match 34 goals no embrace by no esi ekoye from the first minute to the 15th minute nya 4 goals from 16 minutes to the 30th minute nya 1 goal per and hona 31st to 45th nya 1 goal 46 to the 60th minute 5 goals ne toja and afei 2 goals at toja from 61st to 75th and 5 goals and so by from 76 to the 90th minute sa and goals no and so by in total no in 18 goals first half 6 goals and a second half 12 goals in a team toja and bed pro Premier League nima ya de honsem at the air toja match 34 no say and a man of the match award no and etimi koye Sheriff Mohammed for Asante Kotokoje and their Dreams FC ya dankwa for Brekum Chelsea eje and tia House of Folk Isaac Minta eje edema Adriana Football Club against Chem United Jonathan Sowa and eje edema Mediama against Tamale City Samson Godfrey de Siama eje edema Kim Faisal against Real Tamale United Michelle Otu eje edema Legon Cities against Samates Nafi Imana Odai eje edema Gold Stars against Accra Lions Christopher Neti eje edema Great Olympics against Instrateman FC Nafi Prince Kwame Dog eje edema Kotoku Warriors against Karela United. Ntiwe any man of the match awards toja match 34 the last game of the Bed Power Premier League. Na said the be no we any team of the week coach Abdul Karim Zit wono any coach of the week and Manche Duba kwa omo ejina wadama no Abdul Jabbar for Kim Faisal wono and either in post name Christopher Neti for Great Olympics Emmanuel Odai also for Bebiani Gold Stars Yaudankwa for Brekum Chelsea Vincent Atenga for Team Media Mamo me make it back for no say Oban Fifi mi ansano and Sheriff Mohammed Asante Kotoko Michelle Otu Legon Cities Nafe Prince Kwabena Dogbe enso esina kan enso atimo Jefane Kotoku Warriors ani me hono miensa say ne city Isaac Mintesina kan edema Adriana Football Club Jonathan Sowa esina kan edema Media Nafe Minta enso esina kan edema timo Adriana Football Club go Siamaka ho e ne complete the say and player of the week no enzo city say de bia no e mantia mienze yom si wo ni atwom so ntonto na afi etimi ato aba no e ma de ose na ofata so obegye player of the week say na bato no enzo si ko mantia mienza ya tom so aba na Jonathan Sowa for Mediama Michelle Otu Legon City na afi Godfrey de Siama Kim Faisal but the banner we no na Jonathan Sowa enya 74% of the vote Michelle Otu enzo 6% na afi Godfrey de Siama enzo 20% enu exercise a branch Jonathan Sowa for Mediama na player of the week amene hon sem no and to the reno general statistics of Bed Power Premier League 2022-2023 season in all 306 games and a toja in 182 home wins 76 draws in 48 away wins 644 goals in a toja that was 2022-2023 and Bed Power Premier League name 432 home goals by 212 away goals and so to me to the first half goals no 294 and the second half goals near 350 yellow cards near 1083 and after 46 red cards and so timbaye players are and so to me the ball to one kasatinam and so 16 that's 16 own goals 81 penalties in the referees neje and my teams no almost 67 and the players na so etimi share na me 14 and so keepers na chi na say players no and so timi bottle 20 no and the no man and so esitie we for the last 3 seasons said the games in bo we are goals he toja and so season no eti echo over 2020-2021 season now 306 games the toja goals by near 691 2022 2020 2021 2022 no 306 goals and 306 games in the toja e 627 goals and so etimi bae na season ya wie ya ye di hu nkomo yi 306 games in the toja 644 goals in the etimi bae ya na say last year goals na toja no this season na goals upgrade nemum last 3 seasons then the 2020 2021 then there na say so and so etimi tie na we any match weeks no goals toja ni nano ano enso ni na wo hemu a match week goals no na wasoro pa na match week 15 and then match week 33 ehun ni nya 26 goals match week 21 no and as a match week 1 nya 11 goals match week 2 22 goals match week 3 nya 13 goals match week 4 16 goals match week 5 nya 15 match week 6 18 goals na toja match week 7 and then match week 8 20 goals and match week 9 15 goals match week 10 17 goals match week 11 21 goals match week 12 in your 16 goals match week 13 in your 14 match week 14 also in your 23 goals and after match week 15 in your 26 goals and I make us any match week 33 there goals need to Japan match week 16 21 goals match week 17 20 goals match week 18 15 goals and after match week 19 so 15 goals match week 20 in your 13 goals match week 21 14 goals match week 22 19 goals match week 23 in your 21 goals and after match week 24 22 goals and the team told ya match week 25 in your 19 goals match week 26 25 goals in your and after match week 27 in your 18 goals match week 28 22 goals match week 29 in your 24 goals match week 30 in your 25 goals match week 32 in your 21 goals and after match week 32 in your 19 goals and after match week 33 in your 26 goals. The last game I told ya match week 34 no in your 18 goals and your bar and masses you know and so etimi abena yoye and match on board whom they were respective positions no say city goalkeeper side no Felistay Kawela ni mediama 15 clean sheet and onyaye Joseph Ado Onusina Kanema Arena Football Club onya 15 clean sheet Lawrence Ansan for Samaters onya 12 clean sheet or bring Gregory enso onya 11 clean sheet for Bekum Chelsea Joseph Ba Vianney Gold Stars enso onya 11 clean sheet now here top scorers now abeg na go tete sina kan enso edema Vianney Gold Stars osikakra edema Kim Faisal ono enya 18 goals ono na top scorer this season Hafiz Konkoni enso ehye 15 goals and money enya ne place in the Black Stars call up against Madagascar ono enso Samson Eduku ehye 14 goals Francis Andy Kumi ehye 12 goals this is someone kake 12 bi kan season na bi anka asemisi bi ko kotoko ni betimi na jana manfa bo kokudoku wa yas no on so akwa with dim ne home Jonathan so of Mediama enso ehye 12 goals na fe Mashaka Friye enso ehye 12 goals he started very well nemom Ghana sem no ball no o ba na contract ba bi nti the goal no enso entimi anto so biem na wey for the past 3 seasons all match yen goal kin goals o mo share enso yen season nim teams are almost akan edemo mo DLC Taylor 2020-2021 ono energy Ghana yen top scorer na 18 goals and o share for Kawela United 2021-2022 season no yawano ash good no si akan enso de mo 22 goals no enso etimi share na afei abed na go tete enso asan replicate atia dia o Taylor yen in 2020-2021 season no 18 goals ono enso etimi acha ono enso etimi age edesini na so nti abed na go tete any ball season we no oye top scorer 2022-2023 season no oye top scorer say all train so bet F4 nka say man bibio ono ens train Ghana oji league no nyama kakra otoso mienu nyama kakra toso miensa nyama kakra from 4 kwane de unya hwe best player nya hwe top scorer nya hwe best goalkeeper nya hwe de esa na ne mantini din koma ase den ne motivate say yoro ho ye bibi eda ho akwa we bia image no de beto that we action ba say me J top scorer no me image ni apart from no bibia ni ho diabu say the number 60 no ene dia tuga no